We are so excited to host Soft Shore, where land and water meet, an installation exhibit that is very, very remarkable for summer of 2019. I was lucky last year to be able to work with Mr. Robert Held, a celebrated glass artist in Parksville, in order to produce his exhibit here at the MAC called Monet Revisited. It was an extraordinary summer. We welcomed over 10,000 people here to the Macmillan Arts Centre during the course of the 6-week run. Robert is now on board with our installation committee. He and I worked together to design what is hopefully going to become an annual summer event here at the MAC. Bob and I have worked together to gather a team of celebrated artists for this summer's exhibit. Mr. Christopher Smith from Glass Crafter Studio will be here with his cast glass salmon. We are welcoming Mr. Nelson Shaw of Blue Heron Steel. This is going to be a remarkable summer. I want to invite you all here to the Macmillan Arts Centre for summer of 2019. It's going to be one of the coolest things you ever see. We'll meet you at the MAC.